Exploring the world of emotions, understanding ecstatic. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very exciting topic to discuss: the word ecstatic. This is a word that expresses a strong feeling, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how and when to use it. So, let's dive in and explore the meaning and usage of ecstatic. Ecstatic is an adjective, and it's used to describe an intense state of happiness, excitement, or joy. When someone is ecstatic, they are experiencing emotions that are beyond just being happy or pleased. They are overwhelmed with positive feelings. It's like happiness, but much, much stronger. To better understand how to use ecstatic, let's look at some examples. 1. When she found out she had won the lottery, she was absolutely ecstatic. 2. He was ecstatic to see his team score the winning goal in the last minute of the game. In both of these sentences, ecstatic is used to describe an extreme level of happiness and excitement. There are several synonyms for ecstatic, which means something similar. Here are a few: overjoyed, extremely happy or joyful; euphoric, characterized by a feeling of intense excitement and happiness; elated, make someone ecstatically happy. Using these synonyms can add variety to your speech or writing. Now that you know what ecstatic means and have seen some examples, let's talk about how you can use it in your own sentences. Remember, ecstatic is a strong word, so you should use it to describe moments of extreme happiness or excitement. And that's it for today's lesson on the word ecstatic. I hope you're now feeling confident about using this word in your English conversations and writing. Remember, learning new vocabulary is a great way to enhance your language skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep practicing and stay ecstatic about your English learning journey.